In 2024, get ready for tech innovation that will redefine your reality, ranging from an astonishing integration of a full-sized keyboard seamlessly combined with trackpad functionalities to the debut of the world's premier genuinely mobile surveillance camera crafted to foster community cohesion. These innovations are poised to revolutionize your world. Conserv Pro. Get ready to supercharge your shooting experience with Consi. This powerhouse blends simplicity with unmatched power, featuring dedicated buttons for effortless capturing. No complicated procedures, just click and snap with ease. Plus, it's designed for comfort during those marathon sessions. Don't let its size fool you. Consi packs a punch with its impressive shooting capabilities. Whether you're into slow motion or time-lapse, Consi has you covered, making it your ultimate photography sidekick. And that's not all. Consi boasts a 1.04-inch OLED screen and a unique micro eyepiece for close-range observations. Get set to take your photography skills to the next level with Consi. Get ready to embark on a journey through groundbreaking gadgets and awe-inspiring inventions. These remarkable creations are poised to captivate your imagination and revolutionize the way you experience the world around you. MFilters. Say farewell to the frustration of navigating filter functions and welcome the game-changing Outdoors Wave 2 from MFilters. We're revolutionizing the industry with a design breakthrough that's second to none. Utilizing innovative color coding and rain knurling, we've raised the bar. Our sleek approach not only looks stylish, but also provides clear guidance on how to use each filter. Encased in vibrant blue, it enhances skies and effortlessly eliminates pesky reflections from water surfaces. This distinctive color not only adds a touch of flair, but also acts as a visual prompt, ensuring you remember the purpose of each filter. At MFilters, we recognize the limitations of the color spectrum. That's why we've gone above and beyond by introducing a novel method to identify each filter. With our ingenuity, distinguishing between filters is a breeze, even when the color palette falls short. LinkHub. Introducing LinkHub, where Wi-Fi 7 meets personal cloud storage for seamless connectivity and data protection. With NAS capabilities, it's a game changer for file management, ensuring secure access to your data from anywhere. Plus, built-in redundancy features like RAID keep your data safe even during hardware failures. Say goodbye to manual transfers and hello to effortless file access with LinkHub. Now, meet the MS11 from MiX, a groundbreaking timepiece that combines tradition with technology for precise timekeeping. Powered by CNC motors, it's more than just a watch. It's an innovative blend of materials and design. Get ready to experience the future of timekeeping with the MS11. Roxs Robot. Meet Roxs, your lively virtual companion ready to engage with an endless array of responses. Picture Roxs as a virtual kaleidoscope, adding vibrant expressions and actions to your desktop, transforming it into a dynamic canvas of life. Roxs isn't static. It explores your workspace, bringing movement and curiosity, and creating an interactive playground. Experience a new level of interaction as Roxs responds to your gestures with charm and interactivity. Roxs isn't just software. It's a dynamic, evolving entity here to redefine and enrich your digital experience, offering endless opportunities for engagement and exploration in your digital world. Flash Power Bank. Meet Flash, the ultimate power bank transforming charging. With a powerful USB-C power delivery 3.0 port, 2 USB-A ports, and a game-changing wireless charging pad, Flash leads the way. It delivers lightning-fast charging for all your devices with its USB-C 100W power delivery 3.0. Plus, it features an 18W USB-A Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port and a USB-A port compatible with Huawei, Oppo, OnePlus, and Vivo's fast charge technology. With a robust 10W wireless fast charge pad, Flash covers all your devices from smartphones to AirPods. And despite packing up to 100W USB-C power delivery, it remains 177% lighter than competitors while maximizing the 20,000 mAh battery capacity allowed on airplanes. Flash isn't just a power bank, it's a charging revolution. Prepare to be amazed by not just one, but 2 cutting-edge creations that are set to leave you speechless. These incredible devices are now readily available, poised to elevate your tech journey and transform your daily routine like never before. Get ready to experience innovation at its finest. Moo Folio. Discover the groundbreaking Moo Folio, a full-size keyboard seamlessly blending keyboard and trackpad functions, transforming the way you interact. Unlike its predecessors, it dedicates the right side exclusively to trackpad use, boosting convenience. With a precision touch sensor beneath the right half, effortlessly navigating while keeping your hands on the keys. Moo Folio's cutting-edge technology automatically switches between keyboard and mouse modes, preventing accidental cursor movements. Immerse yourself in comfort and efficiency with Moo Folio's pantograph keyboard design, ensuring familiarity and speed. Smart Droid. Step into the future with Viet's Smart Droid, a robotic HD camera revolutionizing surveillance. Imagine effortlessly moving it from room to room or controlling it remotely from anywhere in the world via your smartphone or tablet. It's not just for security, it's a game changer for families and individuals. Plus, it has a calming effect on animals, offering familiarity even in its robotic form. Our goal? To bridge gaps through sight, motion, and sound, infusing warmth into monitoring. With over 245 million surveillance cameras worldwide, Smart Droid offers a unique and comforting way to connect with your space, providing mobility and interactive features.